Betani. By the time was the I'm ready, Tane. Ready in the mood, ready. He's a handsome guy. I've seen him. Yeah, DJ.
Kunde bari NKORE MEDIA TV ni Beyazini ZDJ. Of course, as I always tell you, it is Uganda Rwanda Connect. Nyowe and Beyazini ZDJ best in Mbara, it is NKORE MEDIA TV. Serebo Mbara, I'm bringing to you. She's a diva, super talented from Rwanda. She's Giza. Giza?
Giza. BWIZA.
Oh, I get you now.
No, you ready. Ready now.
Well, wow, you're super talented.
Thank you.
We have been in Uganda best career on NKORE MEDIA, NKORE region.
Oh, thank you so much.
How are you?
I'm doing good.
Yeah. How is Rwanda?
Oh, we're doing good too. Everything is great. Yeah, and it's raining. Yeah.
It's raining.
It's raining.
It's rain.
Really?
Yeah.
But I've seen the cloud changing.
The cloud changed, but
it was about to rain.
But it didn't.
Oh, okay.
Can you greet us in something like Kinyarwanda language?
Muraho. Nitwa Bwiza naje kuririmba hano kuri Rwanda borders opening Thanksgiving and nabakunze murabantu beza. Yeah, ndabakunda. Turabavandimwe.
Turabavandimwe nanjewe nundi muvandimwe obasekukuru wanje baramwita Nzabirinda.
No Munyarwanda. Yeah.
Well, wow, of course, and my camera person is called Sinjiyumba.
Hey, he's from Rwanda.
Yeah, don't you see him?
That name is for Rwandans. Yeah.
How is you?
I'm doing good. I'm great. I'm thankful, and I'm breathing. Yeah.
You're breathing. Have you ever came to Uganda and do performance?
Yeah, this is like my 5th time. Yeah.
Have you ever you've been on this stage and people loved your performance? What could be your say about the audience in Uganda?
They are good. They are crazy. They are cool. Yeah, and they love music. Yeah.
They do. How is Rwanda? How can you tell someone from Uganda who is watching you? How is Rwanda?
We are doing good, great, as I've told you. Yeah, everything is good. And you have to come and visit us.
You have to come and visit.
Yeah.
I wish to come there like in September.
Okay, I'll be waiting for you.
It's okay. How do you rate yourself as per now, as in Rwandan music?
Sorry?
The rate you can rate yourself.
As Rwandan, the whole industry, we are trying and doing great. Maybe 50%.
Who could be a favorite artist in Uganda?
Azawi.
Azawi?
Yeah.
You like Azawi?
Yes.
As we are finalizing, what could be your advice about Ugandan artists?
Nothing new, but most of them can try to do like international music, not only local.
Whoever wants your music, where can he or she find it?
They can find it on YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is Giza, and every or any platform which does music, Spotify.
As we sign out, what could be? Give us a cappella of your favorite song amongst your songs.
Omuwala, Oyo Muwala, yeah. Omuwala, Omuwala. Let's go.
Pull up.
By the time was the mind, ready to come and now it's going to reach.
I'm ready, turn it. Ready and I know you're ready. He's a handsome guy. I've seen him. Yeah, DJ.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Selecta, kuluta ningale kale. Nina mani, noza kuchiriza ngo nina mani. Nina mani, noza kukakasa ngo nina mani.